Welcome to math class. Let us start this session.
Children, today I am going to share one more story from my storybook, and the story title goes like this: Arnav's family. Let me introduce Arnav and his family members.
Children, he is Arnold. Arnold is an ornithologist. Children, do you know who is an ornithologist? Ornithologist is a person who studies birds. And she is Mrs. Arnold. She is an English teacher. And he is Abhi. And she is Sonu. This is Arnold's family. Let us start the story. Children, this is Abhi's reading room. Abhi's hobby is reading books. Recently, he started reading Science Encyclopedia, which is containing 400 pages. Among those, Abhi already read 259 pages. Let us find out how many pages are left for Abhi to read. Children, as we discussed in the story, Abhi's hobby is reading books. Recently, he started reading Science Encyclopedia, which is containing 400 pages. Among 400 pages, Abhi already read 259 pages. Now, we are going to find how many pages are left to read. How many pages are remain to read. It means we have to find number of pages left. How many number of pages still Abhi has to read. So here the word which I am uttering, left, remain, maybe you are getting an idea what we have to do. Exactly, we have to take away 259 pages which were already read by Abhi from total number of pages, that is 400. Taking away means nothing but subtraction. Children, today we are going to learn about subtraction. Can you tell me the symbol of subtraction? Yes, the symbol of subtraction is minus. The symbol of subtraction is minus. Now I am going to explain how to subtract 259 from 400. Before that, as both the numbers are having 3 digits, means ones, tens, 100, let me write the places. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, children? Now, which number I should arrange first? Which number I should arrange, children? As 400 is the total number of pages. So, I should arrange 400 first. And then, number of pages already read by Abhi, 259. So, always remember one thing, children. Subtraction should be done before two numbers, and a small number should be subtracted always from a big number. After that, place the subtraction symbol minus. Now, let us start subtraction. Okay, now as you already learned in addition, addition should be done from ones place. Addition should be started from ones place. In the same way, even subtraction also we should start from ones place. Come on here. First number is 0 and the second number is 9. Can we subtract 9 from 0? Always the second number should be subtracted from first number. Can we subtract 9 from 0? No, it is not possible. So this is called, children, subtraction with a regrouping. Now let me explain what is the meaning of subtraction with a regrouping. Here 9 cannot be subtracted from 0. Means here I have to take borrow. What is the meaning of borrow? Generally, if you lost your pencil, will you take borrow from your friend? Exactly. In the same way, if ones place, subtraction is not possible because the first number is small. I will take borrow from tens place. Okay. If borrow is needed in tens place, I will take borrow from hundreds place. Okay, children, left hand side. Okay, preceding place we will take the borrows. Okay, here in ones place I need borrow. So I will go to tens place. But what happened here in tens place also? 0 is there. So I will take borrow from hundreds place. In hundreds place, how many hundreds are there here? 4 hundreds. From 400, I will give 100 borrow to tens. From 400, how many hundreds are there, children, here? From 400s. From 400s, 400s are there. From 400, 100 borrow. 400s, 100 borrow. I will give to tens. So how many hundreds will be left over, children, here? 3. So that I should write, because 400 from 400 already 100 I am going to give borrow to tens place. But here as directly 100 can be written directly on tens? No. As that is a tens place, 100 should be written in terms of tens. 100 means how many tens. So look at here children, 100 means, through this flashcard you will understand, 100 means 10 tens. 100 means, look at here, 10 tens. So 100 means 10 tens. Okay children, so I will write the 10 here. After that, from tens place to ones place again I need to give borrow. Yes or no? So from 10 tens, now I am giving 110 borrow to ones. So children, from 10 tens, now I am giving 110 borrow to ones. Can I give 110 directly to ones place? No, because this is ones place. So 110 is given in terms of ones. 110 means how many ones children? Look at here. 110 means 10 ones. 110 means 10 ones. As we discussed earlier, 100 means 10 tens. Okay children, 110 is equal to 10 ones. So 110 nothing but 10 ones. So this 10 ones, now I am giving borrow to ones. So as already given, from 10 tens, 110 borrow means 10 minus 1, 9. 9 tens will be left over. So now I should rub this 10 and I will write 9. Like this, the borrows will be carried over. So shall I start subtraction children? Come on. 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 5, 4. 3 minus 2. Here you should remember one thing children. From 400s already we have given 100 borrowed. So here 300s are left over. So 3 minus 2, 1. So children, 141 papers are still. Okay children, Abhi has to read. 141 papers are left over. So children, terms of subtraction. The first number from which you are subtracting, the number that you subtract from, is called minuend. How to pronounce the word minuend? M-I-N-U-E-N-D. Minuend. The number that you subtract from is called minuend. The second number, the number which you subtract, is called subtrahend. S-U-B-T-R-A-H-E-N-D. Subtrahend. Okay. The second number, which number you are subtracting, is called subtrahend. And the result of the subtraction, the answer of the subtraction, is called difference. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E. Difference. Okay. These are the terms of subtraction children. So in this way, the large numbers also can be subtracted. Wherever necessary, we'll do with the regrouping. Okay children, let us see one more example. Children, let us do one subtraction from recap exercise. 30,000 minus 18,602. So today I am going to explain a shortcut method. What is shortcut children? Yes, shortcut means nothing but alternative method which is shorter than the usual method. Let me start. Shortcut method. So for this method, first we have to subtract 1 from both the numbers. We have to subtract 1 from both the numbers. 30,000 minus 1, 18,602 minus 1. What is the resulting number? 30,000 minus 1. Minus 1 means before number. Yes or no children? So 30,000 before number is what children? 29,999. Now 18,602. If I subtract 1 from 18,602, what I will get? 18,000. 2 minus 1, 1. 601. Let me subtract. From 1's place we have to start subtraction. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 8, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. As we already learned, 9 minus 0. If you subtract 0 from any number, in the previous class, in 4th class, already learned 9 minus 0. If you subtract 0 from any number, okay, the difference is the number itself. Now, let us check whether our answer is correct or not with normal method. Okay, so here 30,000, 18,603. 0 minus 3, not possible. Yes or no, children? So we need to take borrow. So as tens place is also having zeros, 100 place is also having 0, 1000 place is also having 0. From 10,000 place I am going to take borrow. 3 10,000s are there. So from 3 10,000s I am taking 1 10,000. So how many 10,000 will be there? From 3 10,000s I am taking 1 10,000. So 2 10,000s will be there. 1 10,000 again will be converted into thousands. Yes or no, children? 1 10,000 means 10,000s. From here to 1,000 I will give borrow to 100. 1,000 means nothing but 10 hundreds. Again 100 I will give borrow to tens. So 100 means nothing but 10 tens. Again 110 I will give borrow 110 to ones. 110 means nothing but 10 ones. Let us see how will be the borrows, children. Here to which place we need borrow? To ones place. Here it will be 10. Here all these places will become 9, 9 and 9. Let us subtract. 10 minus 3, how much, children? 7. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 8, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. Look at here, children, both the differences are same, no, children? So this is called shortcut method.
Children, let us discuss about the properties of subtraction. Children, Arnold's family is having big vegetable garden and flower garden. Sonu and Abhi likes gardening. Every day in the evening, Sonu used to water in the flower garden. She likes roses very much. One day she noticed 5 roses on a rose plant, but she did not pluck any flower. Let us find out how many roses left on the rose plant.
So children, as we discussed in the story, in a flower garden, for one rose plant, how many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 roses are there. So did Sonu pluck any flower? No. Sonu did not pluck any flower. So Sonu did not pluck means 0. Not plucked. Okay. Now how many flowers are left? How many flowers are there on the plant? Yes. 5 flowers are there. Means 5 minus 0. I should take away 0 from 5. So what is the difference, children? 5. Because she did not pluck any flower. So 5 flowers are left on the plant. From this, what did you understand, children? Here I have subtracted 0 from 5. Yes or no, children? So what is the difference? Difference is nothing but the number itself. Okay, children. So this is a property 1, children. If we subtract 0 from any number, the difference is the number itself. So let me show you one more example, children. 3005. 3005 minus 0. So here I am subtracting 0 from 3005. What is the result? What is the difference? Again, we will get difference as 3005 only. Okay. This is property 1, children. Let us see the property.
Children, properties of subtraction. Property 1. Subtracting 0 from any number does not change the value of the number. Thus, if 0 is subtracted from any number, the difference is the number itself. Children, as Arnold is an ornithologist, Arnold's family used to feed birds with grains and nuts every day in their backyard. Abhi and Sonu used to enjoy by watching over the birds. One day they observed, they counted 11 birds are eating the grains and nuts. Suddenly they observed one bird flew away. Let us find out how many birds are left over without counting.
Children, as we observed in the story, how many birds are eating? In the beginning, yes, 11 birds are eating as we discussed in the story. So after a few minutes, Abhi and Sonu observed one bird flew away. Now, can we find number of birds left or number of birds still eating without counting? Yes, exactly. We can do. Let us find. So this one bird which is flew away, that should be subtracted from 11. That should be taken away. So take away means nothing but subtraction. 11 minus 1, how much children? 11 minus 1 is nothing but 10. Okay children. So 10 birds are still eating the grains. So here, if you observe here children, from 11 I have subtracted 1. So the difference is 10. So here 10 is the predecessor of 11 or not? Yes, 11 before which number comes? 10. So from this, what did you understand? This is property 2 children. If 1 is subtracted from any number, the number obtained, the difference obtained is the predecessor of the given number. Here 10 is the predecessor of 11. Let me show you one more example. 2000. 2000 minus 1. What is the difference? 2000 minus 1. I am subtracting 1 from 2000. So the result is 1999. Here 1999 is the predecessor of 2000 or not? Yes. So let us see the property 2.
Children, property 2. If 1 is subtracted from any number, the number obtained is the predecessor of the previous number. Children, as I already told you, Abhi and Sonu likes gardening. Once in a week, they both used to collect vegetables from their vegetable garden. One day, they both collected tomatoes. Let us find out who collected more tomatoes and by how many.
Children, just now we discussed Sonu and Abhi collected some tomatoes from their vegetable garden. So here Sonu collected 5 tomatoes and whereas Abhi collected 8 tomatoes. Now let us find who collected more tomatoes and by how many. So just by observing here, Sonu collected 5 tomatoes and Abhi collected 8 tomatoes. Just by observing, we can say that Abhi collected more tomatoes because here 5 is less than 8. Yes or no children? By comparing the numbers, we can say that Abhi has collected more tomatoes. Now let us find out how many more tomatoes were collected by Abhi. For that, what we have to do children? We have to find the difference of tomatoes collected by both Sonu and Abhi. We have to find the difference. Difference means we have to subtract. For subtraction, now which number I should write first? I should write, because I have written here 5 first, I should write 5 minus 8 or 8 minus 5. I should subtract 5 from 8 or 8 from 5. Yes, exactly. I should subtract 5 from 8. Because here just now we discussed that Abhi has collected more. So 8 is big number. Okay. So subtraction means nothing but a small number only should be subtracted from a big number. Okay. So here 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 how much children? 8 minus 5 is 3. From this, what did you understand? So, 3 more tomatoes are collected by Abhi than Sonu. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Means 3 more tomatoes were collected by Abhi than Sonu. So children, let us try by just changing the order. Okay, here 8 is median and whereas 5 is subtrahend. Now I am changing the order. 5 minus 8. Come on, let us subtract children. 5 minus 8. Can we subtract children 8 from 5? No, it is not possible. If I change the order, so do we get same 3 as difference? No, we will not get because 8 is a big number and whereas 5 is a small number. So, we cannot subtract. Yes or no children? We cannot subtract. From this, what did you understand children? In subtraction, the order of numbers cannot be changed. This is property 3 children. From this, finally, what do we understand? 8 minus 5 is not equal to 5 minus 8. So, subtraction always done between 2 numbers. In that, median should be greater than the subtrahend. Let us see the property.
Children, property 3. The order of the numbers cannot be changed in subtraction. Children, as I already mentioned earlier, Mrs. Arnold is an English teacher. One day, she brought some English papers from school for correction. Let us see how many papers did she bring and whether she corrected all the papers or not.
Children, as we discussed in the story, Mrs. Arnold brought English papers for correction, for evaluation. So, how many papers did she bring, you know children? She brought 89 papers for correction. Okay, after 3 hours, within 3 hours, she completed all the papers. She completed all the papers means she corrected all the 89 papers. Means how many papers are left over? How can we find out? Yes, I should take away 89 from 89. So, take away means nothing but subtraction. 89 minus 89 total papers she corrected. Is there any paper left over children? No. No means nothing but answer. The difference is 0. 89 minus 89. The difference is 0. So from this, what did you understand children? When we subtract, when a number is subtracted from itself, when a number is subtracted from itself. So here I am subtracting 89 again from 89. The difference is always 0. The difference is always 0. Let me show you one more example. Here 1507. From this, again I am subtracting 1507. So here also I am doing the same or not? I am subtracting 1507 from 1507. So the difference is what children? Exactly, the difference is 0. This is the fourth property of subtraction children. When a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is always 0. Let us see the property.
Children, property 4. When a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0.
Now I'll explain how to fill in the boxes from recap. Let us start. Start from ones place. Here in ones place, the first number which is miniand. Miniand is missing. So we have to find miniand. Subtrahend is given and difference is also given. To find the miniand, what we have to do? To find the miniand, difference and subtrahend both should be added. To find the miniand. Look at here. To find the miniand, difference and subtrahend both should be added. Okay children. To find the miniand, difference and subtrahend both should be added. So, come on, let us start. So, what is here difference? 0 plus 6. Subtrahend is 6. 0 plus 6, how much children? Yes, 6. So, what is the miniand? Here, 6 is the miniand. 6 is the miniand. Now, let us go for tens place. Here also, miniand is missing. Same now, difference and subtrahend we will add. 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 how much children? Yes, 12. 12 means, can I write directly 12? From this, what did you understand? 12 means nothing but regrouping. So the first place, 2, I will write first. 2 minus 4 is not possible. It means I will take borrow from hundreds place. Then hundreds place 7, it will become 6 because it will give 100 borrow to tens. So here 2 will become 12. So here, now it is correct or not? See, 12 minus 4, 8. Children, now let us subtract hundreds place. So 6, subtrahend is missing. Difference is there. Now we have to find out subtrahend. Okay children, how to find the subtrahend? To get the subtrahend, difference should be subtracted from miniend. You get here children, to get the subtrahend, difference should be subtracted from miniend. Okay, difference should be subtracted from miniend. So, what is difference children here? 2. 2 should be subtracted from 6. 6 minus 2. So what is the answer children? 6 minus 2? 4. So what is the subtrahend here? 4. Come on, let us check. 6 minus 4? 2. Exactly. Now again, come to thousands place. Here again, miniend is missing. To get the miniend, what we have to do? Difference and subtrahend will be added. So difference and subtrahend will be added. So 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 how much children? Yes, 7. Okay, 2. 2 plus 5, 7. Now, last place. 7 minus 1. It is direct subtraction. 7 minus 1, how much children? 6. In this way, we can fill in the boxes. Children, now I will explain subtractions from exercise 2A. The first question. 50,732 minus 20,521. Let us start. Before that, let me arrange the number in columns. 50,732. From that, 20,521. Okay, children. So, place subtraction symbol. So, how many places are there, children? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. If you want to write, you can write places also. Okay, shall I start? From ones place, we should start subtraction. So, 2 minus 1, how much children? 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 7 minus 5, 2. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 2, 3. This is simple subtraction. Subtraction without regrouping. What is the difference, children? 30,211. Now I'll explain how to check our difference is correct or wrong. So children, what we have to do? So here, first, this difference should be added to subtrahend. Difference and subtrahend both are added. So that what we have to get? We should get the miniend. You should get the miniend. If you add difference and subtrahend, if you get the miniend, that means your answer, your difference is correct. Let us check. This is called check. So difference 30,211, to that subtrahend 20,521 will be added. Added children, addition children, not subtraction. Okay children, shall we start? 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 5, 7, 0 plus 0, 0, 3 plus 2, 5. So children, what is the answer here we got? 50,732. So 50,732 is miniend or not? So how to check our difference? So here difference and subtrahend we have to add. So if you get the miniend, it means your difference is correct. Children, let us do one more subtraction. Okay, 4,17,005 minus 75,134. Okay, Let me arrange the places up to lakhs. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So 4 lakh, 17,000, 5. Under that, which number I should arrange now? 75,000. So our 75,000 is having 5 digits. Okay. So arrange the number from 10,000's place. 75,134. And place subtraction sign, children, here. Okay. From which place we should start subtracting numbers? From 1's place. So 5 minus 4, 1. 0 minus 3, is it possible? No. We have to take borrow. Subtraction with the regrouping. So as hundreds place is also having 0, we'll go to thousands place. From thousands place I will take borrow 1000. Yes or no, children? So from there to hundreds, again from hundreds to tens, I will take borrow. So here to which place I need borrow? There it will be 10 tens and here 9 hundreds. Okay, children. So come on, let us start subtraction. 10 minus 3, 7. 9 minus 1, 8. 6 minus 5, 1. 1 minus 7, again we need to take borrow. From lakhs place, 4 it will become 3 because as we have given 1 lakh borrow. So here 1 will become 11. Yes or no, children? 1 lakh. Okay, we have taken borrow. 1 lakh means nothing but 10 thousands. So here 11 minus 7, 4. Okay, 3 here. Subtrahend is not there. We can write directly 3. What is the difference, children? 3,41,871. Shall we check whether our answer is correct or not? Come on, let us check. So, which number I should write first? Difference. To this difference, which number I should add? Subtrahend. 35,134. Let us add. 1 plus 4, 5. 7 plus 3, 10. Carry. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 5, 7. 4 plus 7, 11. 1 plus 3, 4. So what is a 4,70,005? 4,70,005. We got or not? So is it our answer is correct? Yes, the difference is correct. In this way, you can check your difference also, children, by following which one? Difference plus subtrahend is equal to minuend. Okay, children. It's time to recap. 98,990 minus 0. Okay. If 0 is subtracted from any number, what is the difference? Number itself. So what is the difference? Again 98,000. So 98,990. Second question. 10,489 minus 1. So if we subtract 1 from any number, we'll get the predecessor. So 1 should be subtracted. So 10,488. 9 minus 1. 88. Just you subtract 1 from 1's place. 9 minus 1, 8. Remaining places as it is. Okay. Third question. 99,999 minus 99,999. If any number, if one number is subtracted from itself, okay, what is the difference? The difference is what, children? Yes, exactly. It is 0. Okay, next question. The result of subtraction is, what is the result of subtraction, children? The result of subtraction is difference. Okay, D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E. Difference. The last question. The symbol of subtraction. What is the symbol of subtraction, children? Yes, minus. What is the symbol of subtraction? Minus. Sleeping left. Okay, children? Thank you, children.